You know what? Who says you can't have fun and stay home? We got lots of options to go out or stay in. Here we go. Hello, Localtarians. We're back to try to make your weekend a little more fun. Get you out there or let you stay in, whatever your groove is. But let's get on it and find out what are some of our top events going on this weekend. Here we go. Friday. All right, so 8 a.m. Cadillac Attack 2022 at Orlando Speed World Dragway. 10 a.m. on Friday, Adult Workshop, Triptych Painting Workshop with Catherine Cross at Orlando Museum of Art. That should be a lot of fun, guys. If you want to try something a little different, a little paneled, you're going to love this. 11:30 a.m. Rock the Universe at Universal Studios. This is their annual Christian rock concert, and of course it's going on now until January 30th. For more information, go to their website to see who's showing up for the show this year. 4 p.m. Yoga Retreat, New Beginnings at Canterbury Retreat and Conference Center. That's going to be going on till January 30th as well. 5 p.m. on Friday, in person, introducing Zora at Eatonville Library. Come on out and find out more about Zora Neale Hurston for yourself and enjoy. All right, guys, 6 p.m. Yacht and Roll at Swirlery Wine Bar. Guys, you got to come out and check out this amazing place if you're really into wine and great events. They have so much going on there all the time, so check their calendar to see what wine-infused event they will have next. 7 p.m. Friday Night Magic. Magic the Gathering Modern at Cool Stuff Games in Maitland. 8 p.m. Richard Smith at Blue Bamboo Center for the Arts. $25 will get you into this amazing musical event. And of course, as always, I can't recommend Blue Bamboo Center for the Arts enough. They're a very chill spot, wonderful music all the time, great events, so make sure you follow their calendar to see what's coming up next. 10 p.m. Girl Code at Tier Nightclub. This weekly event is going to be a great time. So if you go out, just make sure you stay safe, stay farther away from people, and of course, wear your mask. 10 p.m. on Friday, A Craze at Celine Orlando. All right, guys, as always, if you want even more great events, in fact, a lot more of the kind where you would be able to go online or stay in, head over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page, and we have local event posts every single day of the week pinned to the top of our page. So check it out. It is a full list, and you will get a lot more events that are both out and about and staying in. So check it out and enjoy more from your weekend and every single day. All right, guys, let's get into it and head over to the heat of the weekend, Saturday. All right, guys, 8 a.m. on Saturday, 25th Annual Kumquat Festival 2022. This is in Dade City, but this year you can enjoy it online. So no need to drive out there. You can enjoy all the great festivities and all the events they have planned. So check it out. The link will be in the description, as will all of our links for this video. 10 a.m. Orlando International Guitar and Music Expo at Central Orlando Fairgrounds. 10 a.m. Science Fiction, Science Future Opening Weeks at Orlando Science Center. Come on out and experience this futuristic fun. 12 p.m. Vegan Fest with the Vegan Outlet, gourmet churros, yuca sandwiches, crepes, and so much more. All going on at Persimmon Hollow Brewing Company right there near Lake Eola. You know, you can have some of this stuff and then go walk it off at the lake. What a beautiful day. 12 p.m. Cool Stuff Games Super Booth. Magic the Gathering at Cool Stuff Games Maitland. Make sure if you want to learn more about this great event that you do go ahead and check it out on coolstuffgames.com. Alright guys, 2 p.m. Venezuela Music Fest Edition Orlando at Orlando Amphitheater. Come on out to the fairgrounds. Off to the far side in the back you will find the amphitheater and a wonderful festive event. So be careful, enjoy your day, and let's have a little fiesta. 3 p.m. Science on Tap Outdoor Beer Festival at Lock Haven Park. Come on out, try some of the great local brews, and spend a beautiful day among the trees. 7 p.m. Jupiter Groove with Dale Stevens Group and the Ravens, all playing at Haven Lounge. 7 p.m. Keep It a Secret, Brave New World, It's Painful at a Soundgarden by Hanau Contemporary Center. Guys, it's a great time to get out, support your local musicians, make sure that you let them know that we love them and we love what they do. So check it out and have a great night out. And last but not least for Saturday, 8 p.m., the Uncle Louie Variety Show at Orlando Shakes. All right, guys, you know what that means? It is time to move it into a commonplace Sunday. 9 a.m. on Sunday, CFFC Free Thought Cafe in person at Stardust Video and Coffee. 12:30 p.m. It's back, your favorite #1 Sunday brunch party, We Brunch Orlando at Shikai Sushi Lounge. Come on out and get your brunch on. 3 p.m. January Beer 30 at Orlando Brewing. Guys, when you walk in and you see that amazing wall of taps, you are going to be overwhelmed. But I promise you, no matter your choice, you're going to find a great draft that suits you. Don't forget, they offer free tours as well, so check it out when you get a chance. 7 p.m. Essence of the Soul, the Poetry Show at Bar 5 Lounge and Grill. 7 p.m. on Sunday, Jazz Spoken Here, the Hayes Project at Temecula Arts Foundation. 7 p.m. The Bell Towers, Ron Raquel, North by Northwest, Blue Streak Mamas at Will's Pub. $10 to get you into this amazing show. Let me tell you guys, if you've never seen Ron Raquel, you got to get out there. Make sure you do. Say hi to the band. Let them know that Amanda sent you their way. Great friends of mine. You're going to love their music. That drummer is kick-ass. Oh, drumming. Let me tell you, if you want to learn more about drums, this guy teaches a class over at El Camino. So make sure you check that out too. Hello, Kevin. 8 p.m. Black Clash, Cowards and Thieves, The Rottens at Grumpy's Underground Eatery and Lounge. All right, guys, and for your very last event for Sunday, Panic Sundays at Stonewall Bar Orlando. All right, guys, this one is a great place to go. It is popular for the LGBTQ vibe, but let me tell you guys, a drink's a drink, and they got some amazing options. Any of you that have ever been out to the Fringe, they usually run the open bar out there. So make sure you check it out, have a little fun, and enjoy your evening. All right, guys, well, that's going to wrap up our local love report for this week. But as always, make sure you support local. Let them know that Local Love sends their love. And check out all of our videos because, guys, we upload 3 times a week. Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. So check it out. And of course, we have some videos that if you haven't seen them in the past, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, guys. Our goal is to get to 300 likes on our YouTube channel this year. So definitely check it out. Want even more? We've got more than 23 hours of great local music for you on our Spotify. So follow me, Amanda Irene Hope, on Spotify. And please give our Local Love Sound Off playlist a little love. If you give it a little like, we'll be able to get more music out to more people. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed your video. And of course, please let us know what you think. We're always excited to get your comments. And if you want to reach out to us about anything at all, here we are, and you can find us here. Follow us on all of our platforms. We can't wait to talk to you guys again. Until then, peace.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.